Hello everyone, welcome to AAR channel. In this video, I am going to share with you, currently in Myanmar, we mostly use Binance as our main exchange. However, due to our country's internet situation, accessing Binance can sometimes be difficult or restricted. Because of these difficulties, we need to have accounts on other exchanges as well. For me personally, right now, for myself, what I am using is I have a Binance account opened as well. And currently, I also have a Bitget Exchange account, which I want to show you. I have opened that too. Besides that, I also keep KuCoin, and MEXC as backup exchanges. Why? Because nowadays for airdrops, there are many people hunting for airdrops. In some airdrops, they require you to link a Bybit account or a Bitget account. Things like that. So having accounts on multiple exchanges is better for you. If you are someone who participates in airdrops, having these opportunities ready is much better. If you have the exchanges, you get more opportunities, even if you don't hunt airdrops and just want to do your own trading. For example, collecting BNB or BGB. If you want to hold these coins, like me in Binance Exchange, I collect BNB. In Bitget Exchange, I collect BGB. For people who want to collect like that, I will now show you how to open a Bitget Exchange account. I will share the method with you. So, regarding this video, in the description, I will put my referral link. For new users, if you open an account using that link, when you start trading on your Bitget account, or when you buy, you will get a discount on commissions. Because there are such benefits, please open via our link. If you open via the link, as a trader yourself, you get a 20% discount, and we also get a small commission. That is why I am asking you to open with our link. As I said before, copy the link from the description and go to Chrome browser and paste it there. When you put it in Chrome, you will see this. It will show that AARCHANNEL is inviting you to open a Bitget account. It will show the invitation. When this appears, it confirms the invite link. Then scroll down a little bit. Keep it there. Now I will show you an example of how to open the account in detail. I will demonstrate it step by step. Okay, for the password example, follow their instructions. It must include English letters, uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. So for this example, I will use E, uppercase, @ and 1. I will set it like that. Since this is a Bitget account, I will write Bitget. You can set whatever you like, but the concept is, as mentioned before, it must have special chars at hash, dollar, and English letters, uppercase, like the E earlier. It includes uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. Enter it like that. Then tick the checkbox to agree to terms. It will show that AARCHANNEL invited you, it's confirmed. Then click Create. When you click Create, there is a concept I should explain. It asks you to select images in order. First image, then second image. You have to select them in sequence. For those new to crypto, this might be confusing at first glance. You might not understand what to do. Look at the example above. Click the first matching image, then the second. You must match the sequence 1, 2, 3 shown at the top. That's how it works. Then click OK. After clicking OK, an OTP will be sent. When the OTP arrives, you need to enter it. Check in your Gmail. The email will look like this. Copy the code and paste it here. One thing to note, you must enter it within 1 minute. If you can't enter it in 1 minute, the account creation will error out. And given the current internet situation in Myanmar, connection can be bad, so be quick and careful. Now, currently, the basic account setup is done. If you want to do KYC, verify, you would click Verify Now. But for now, don't verify yet. Once you reach this stage, what should you do? Go to the Play Store. In Play Store, search for the Bitget application. Download that app. After downloading, use the username and Gmail password you just created to log in. Then try to verify. When you click Verify, let's see what appears. Here, because my IP is in Thailand, it shows Thailand. If you are in Myanmar, select Myanmar. Select your current location. This is for people in Myanmar. What documents can you use? You can use Myanmar NRC ID card, you can use Myanmar passport, or Myanmar driving license. Currently, there is an advantage. Right now, Bybit, Bitget, and Binance allow using Myanmar NRC for verification, but not everyone passes with Myanmar NRC. Why? Because if your ID card is the under 18 version, if you are now over 20 years old, but the photo on the ID is a child's photo, and your current real face looks like an adult, the AI will reject it. Most exchanges use AI to check. If the AI detects that the photo and your face don't match at all, it won't approve it. So what do I suggest? Usually for people over 20 years old, most have a driving license or a passport. If you don't have those and you have updated your NRC after turning 18, try with the NRC. However, it might not pass on the first try. Some people have to try 3, 4, 5 times to get approved. Use NRC only if you absolutely don't have a passport or license. If you have a passport or driving license, please use them. It is much faster to get approved, often instantly. If you don't have passport/license but your NRC photo still looks like you might pass on the first try. But using Myanmar NRC often results in many errors. It fails often. So if possible, please use passport or driving license. Only use NRC as a last resort. However, there are pros and cons. Based on my experience, for those using passport or driving license, they depend on the expiry date. When the document expires, the KYC also expires. You will have to re-verify. For example, if my passport expires in 2029, when 2029 comes, I need to get a new passport and resubmit KYC. If I don't update it, my account will be restricted. I will only be able to withdraw money. I won't be able to trade. That's the issue. Same logic for driving license. If it expires in 2032, when that time comes, it will ask you to re-KYC. For NRC ID card, it doesn't really expire. Even when you are 30 or older, the issue date might be old, but for now, it seems okay. We haven't faced re-verification issues with NRC yet. But for passport and license, you definitely have to update when they expire. I am explaining this clearly so you understand the pros and cons. Now for an example. If you have a driving license, I will use that. It says, take photo of license. Take a photo of the front side. Upload it. You can take a photo directly or upload an existing one. After uploading the front, click Continue. Then it will ask for the back side of the license. After that, face verification. This is very important for exchanges nowadays. Why? Because many people buy and sell accounts. To prevent this, exchanges check the face carefully. For example, if I open an account on this phone and later I buy a new phone and log in again, it will ask for my face verification. If you bought the account and it's not your face, you will lose access. That face is required. I strongly advise against buying accounts. You should not use them. At least use your family members' accounts, parents or spouse. That is safer. But even then, in the long run, if you travel far and the app asks for face scan, it can be a problem. The safest way is to use your own account with your own face. After submitting documents, it goes to review. The advantage of these exchanges is that the review is fast. Usually within 30 minutes, they will tell you if KYC is approved or not. So today I shared the basics of opening an account. Click my link, open in browser, create account, Then go to Play Store/App Store to download the app. Be careful of scams, though. There are many fake apps. To be safe, search for bitget.com in Chrome first. When you see the official website, there is a download button. If you are on Android, it will take you to Play Store. If on iOS, to App Store. Using the link from the official site is safer. Because there are many scam applications, we have to be very careful. That's the basics I wanted to share. If you have questions, ask in the comments. The link is in the description. Thank you everyone for watching. Good luck to you all. May you be successful.